we're going to go ahead and look at part D, the questions. Only 6 questions here. So number 1, where does the water hyacinth grow? So our question word here is where, and that is giving us a clue that we are needing to answer and need to look for in our answer a place or a location. And then as we read question number 1, ask yourself, what are 3 important words in this question that will help me find the answer? So if we look at this, water hyacinth grow, those are 3 important words. So if you flip back to your reading on page 78, that very first sentence answers the question. The water hyacinth grows, it gives us those 3 key words, in tropical countries. So tropical countries are a location, they are a place. So the answer to number 1, we can just put tropical countries. We don't have to write down the full sentence, just answer with the key part, and that would be tropical countries. For number 2, why do people hate this plant? Give 3 reasons. Our question word is why, which why is always wanting a reason or an explanation for something. And if we look at question number 2, there's really one very important word in here, and that's the word hate. And we need to think, okay, 3 reasons. And if we look at paragraph 1, go back to page 78, it says, but everybody hates it. Why? So the ending of paragraph 1 is asking the question. If we look on to paragraph number 2, that's where we see our answer. So you have to give 3 reasons. So we can say that people cannot travel in boats, people cannot fish, the water does not move, the water carries diseases, farmers cannot use water on the land. That's 5 reasons there in paragraph number 2. You just need to give 3. So any of those 3 would work. Number 3, it says water hyacinths are a free crop. What does this mean? So for number 3, it's asking us to give a definition of a free crop. What does this mean? So our key words in question number 3, there's 2 really important words in question number 3, and that would be free crop. So we need to go back to our reading and look, see where it's talking about a free crop. And if we look in paragraph 3 on page 78, it says the plants are really a free crop. And now our question asks, what does this mean? So let's read the sentence after that. And it says, no one has to take care of them. So the sentence that says no one has to take care of them, that answers the question of what does a free crop mean? So our answer for number 3 is that no one has to take care of them. They are a free crop. They can grow anywhere. Number 4, how can people use water hyacinths? Tell 4 ways. So how is describing a process or a way of doing something. And one of our very important words in question number 4 is use. So we're talking about how they can use them. And if we look on down, we can see in paragraph number 5, they can make fertilizer, they can make feed, and if you look before that, fish like to eat them. Farmers can grow the fish in the lakes and rivers. So all of those are telling us how that people can use water hyacinths. Question number 5, what is the difference between methane gas and other gas? So what is our question word? And we're looking for the keywords of methane gas and other gas. So we can see, if we look down the last paragraph, we see methane gas is being talked about. And it's saying methane gas can be made from plants. The other gas is from petroleum. So the difference is methane gas is made from plants. Then the last question, question number 6 with our asterisk, that question we can't come up with an answer directly out of the text. We're going to need to use our own heads. So for number 6, cheap energy is very important for poor countries. Why? Well, that one should be a pretty easy question for us to think of the answer to. If you're a poor country, do you have a lot of money? And of course, the answer is no. So cheap energy is important because it costs less money. That one should be pretty simple to answer on our own.